Welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the all-new 2025 Hindustan Ambassador Double. A legendary name reborn with modern engineering, this car blends nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a deep dive into its design, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the new Ambassador Double maintains the iconic retro silhouette but with a bold, contemporary twist. The front grille features a chrome-accented design, paying homage to its predecessor while incorporating sleek LED headlights with DRLs. The sculpted hood, muscular wheel arches, and 18-inch alloy wheels give it a robust yet elegant presence on the road. The dual-tone paint options add a touch of sophistication, while the rear sports an updated taillight design with LED elements. The overall build feels premium, with a mix of classic charm and modern aerodynamics. Moving inside, the cabin is where tradition meets technology. The dashboard retains a minimalist yet classy appeal, featuring a digital instrument cluster alongside a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and wood-finished panels elevate the luxury quotient. The seats are spacious and ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, making this car ideal for both city commutes and highway cruising. Rear passengers get ample legroom, along with AC vents, a foldable armrest, and even wireless charging. It's clear that Hindustan Motors has focused on enhancing passenger comfort without losing the essence of the Ambassador's heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 Ambassador Double comes with two engine options, a 2.0L turbocharged petrol engine producing 180 horsepower, and a 2.2L diesel variant delivering 170 horsepower. Both are paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a refined driving experience. The car offers multiple driving modes, from eco to sport, allowing drivers to adapt to different conditions. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining excellent stability on highways. The electric power steering makes maneuvering easier than ever, even in tight city traffic. With a fuel efficiency of around 14 km per liter for petrol and 18 km per liter for diesel, it balances power and economy well. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base petrol variant starts at around 20 Indian rupees lakh, while the top-end diesel variant goes up to 26 Indian rupees lakh, making it a competitive choice in the premium sedan segment. Given its iconic status, modern features, and solid performance, the new Ambassador Double is set to make waves in the Indian automobile market. That's all for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about this modern revival of the Ambassador. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.